Right, I head home now. Had a nice bimble out this afternoon, off the beaten track as well, so that was interesting. Yeah, so let's get back on the old tarmac. Come on, Gloria, let's get you fired up. Busy little road along here.
In half a mile, turn right onto Woodnorton Road.
Some big roads in Woodford. Lovely jumping. I ain't got a Scooby where I am. Put the Google Maps on. I've got it on right voice. I'm at the top of the phone. Hopefully I can hear okay. Got the earplugs in. Only got the cheap phone one, but the vid's nice and snug and padded out. Cuts out a lot of wind noise. I don't know if you're getting much wind noise on here, but my old cold road. 14 years old now, this GoPro, so I ain't got all the bells and whistles, but allows me to record my rides and, for posterity. Nice and steady for you. Bet the old Subaru in front wants to get his foot down.
In a quarter of a mile, turn right onto Norwich Road.
Coming to the west. heard that. Turn right, turn left. Still don't know where I am though.
Turn left onto Bridge Road. Continue for 4 miles.
Ideal for up here, this little bike. There we go. Subaru's doing it today. Not a youngster driving that either. Man of a certain age, a bit like myself. There we go. Might need a bit quick chat so the computer's going. Might be a bit more. There we go. Railway bridge there. Reminds me of the 70s with my old Suzuki 2-stroke teenager. Going out with your mates and having a blast. I was living in London then, got this traffic thing. Up here, find the right roads. Stop money in there. two of us. Big man was on the Harley, I was on the Enfield boiler. Interesting and informative. Well worth it if you get a chance. I'll probably try it again in a couple of years. See if my riding position has improved. Which is what we want at the end of the day. 20. A bit like London. London's all 20 miles an hour. Wouldn't have bought the bike if I was still living down here though. Not enjoyable. To a heady 30 MP. I'll get up to third.
In 300 yards, continue straight onto
People
Deer Road.
complain about, or some people complain about the Enfield boiler being snatchy, but I find it alright. Yeah. We're doing 28, 3.5.
Continue straight onto Deer Road. Continue for 5 miles.
Up to the old Nationals. Subaru's away, he's getting his brake plate, it's getting too close to that moment. Oh yeah. 5,000, nice and steady, away goes Subaru there. It's got up to 5th. Tell you what I've done, I've put line spot mirrors on this bike, both sides, both mirrors. Come in handy, especially if you're on a dual carriageway or something. You get some that comes steaming up the outside or the inside of you, whichever way round it be. Yeah, good addition. I hope I'm heading the right way. I'm heading sort of back towards Swaffham now. That's the plan. But I could be going north. Well, I want to be going south. Steady 76 mpg a day. the other thing with Norfolk, there's not many hills, it's nice and flat. But you can get a good view ahead. To fake it, I know faking it.
Continue on Fakenham Road for half a mile.
Keep the speed down, move it. 42 miles an hour. Been through here in the car, but on the bike, last September.